What on earth is that thing? And stay tuned to find out. That thing's the heart as it actually looks in the chest, and we're gonna go through it. We're going to make a much simpler drawing to explain this. First, we'll draw 2 boxes. And now we'll make it look like a Christmas sock. Here we have the apex. And of course, the left and right ventricles. Remember, it's like you're looking in my chest. So left and right. And then we know the pulmonary trunk comes off the right ventricle. Pulmonary veins drain into the left atrium. So we'll put little dots there, which bring oxygenated blood back to the heart. And that goes down through the mitral valve into the left ventricle, which goes up through the aortic semilunar valve and branches up here into the brachiocephalic trunk. And then we have the left common carotid and the left subclavian. And I don't really have room to draw those, but you can visualize it. I'm sure. I believe in you. And then the brachiocephalic trunk splits into the right common carotid and right subclavian arteries. Now let's trace a drop of blood through the heart, but first we have to draw in the vena cava. So I drew it in purple for the oxygenated blood that coming through the superior and inferior vena cava into the right atrium through the tricuspid valve on the right side into the right ventricle, and then out through the pulmonary semilunar valve to the pulmonary trunk. I'll draw that. I'll cover it in purple too, so you know it's the oxygenated. and it goes out to the lungs, the right and left, and then comes back through the pulmonary veins, represented by the dots on the left atrium. Then it goes through the bicuspid valve or mitral valve here into the left ventricle, and then out through the aortic semilunar valve toward the body and goes to the tissues and starts the process all over again. I just want to give a quick shout out to Death Wish Coffee. It's the only way I'm getting through med school. And this isn't paid for by them. I just love their coffee. You should get some. I've linked some Death Wish coffee down below. Although I don't get paid by the company, you check it out. Live longer, feel better, add life to your years, and check out this video next.